Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be tying the trending bow gele, and the measurement for this gele is 50-50. So I make my base pleats. This time I'm making 5 base pleats. So these base pleats are the pleats that our bow is going to stand on. So as you can see, I am taking the base pleats to the back because the bowl shaped gele is a v-shaped gele. So we are going to be taking the 5 base pleats and we are going to be extending it to the front in a v-shaped manner as I'm doing in this video. So all you need to do is to follow through. This is one of the easiest geles you can make, and it's really fast. It doesn't matter where you're going, church, party, one bear, this gele comes through for you anytime. So I'm done with the first side of the V, and you can see I'm using my hand to hold it down so that it doesn't unravel. You can also tell your client or your model to hold on to it for you. So I'm just extending my 5 base pleats to the front, and we have a v-shaped gele already. So at this point I gather all the excesses of my gele. So I'm gathering the flap, the 50 flap at the left, the 50 flap at the right. I'm gathering them neatly. Please make sure that you make your gele really tidy because it's going to affect what you're going to get at the end of the day. And this time I tell my model to hold on to the gele so that I can make a proper knot. Please, you don't want to make the gele too tight on your clients or your model's head. You want them to be able to breathe and enjoy themselves even in the gele. And as well, you want to make sure that the gele is really firm. So at this time I asked her if the gele is firm, and she said it's fine on her head. So I start to arrange this part. Please make sure that it is the part that comes to the front that you fold really well, because it's the other flap that is going to form our bow. So this one is going to form the area that is going to cover the bow. As we go along in the video, you'll see what I'm saying. So this time I fold my 50 flap neatly. Please fold this 50 flap neatly, and we now come to make our bow gele. So I'm making my bow by dividing my gele. You can see how I'm bending it. So I'm folding the gele, and here I was able to have 3 folds. So just fold your gele into the desired size of bow that you want. You can make yours 2, and you can make yours 3 like I did in this video. I didn't want my bow to be so extravagant, so I left it this way. So you can see I'm folding at the back so that it doesn't extend beyond the gele. So make sure that you fold into 2 the way I just did now, so that it does not extend beyond the gele. And I am pinning down. Please make sure you pin down really well. You want to make sure that your pin is really firm, because once that part is fine, you can have a standing bow gele. So at this time I just take the bow flap and I am making my bow. So I am taking my time to make my gele into a bow like shape. Please, that is what you need to get out of this flap of your gele. So you take your time and you pin down. As you begin to fold like I'm doing, you fold and you pin down. Especially if you're a beginner, you want to fold and pin down till you get the shape you want. Now the advantage of tying your bow shaped gele this way is that it does not give you too much fabric to work with. Like, you don't have excess gele to work with, so that way it's easy for you to fold and get the shape you want on time. So just to be sure that you're getting what is right, as you're folding, you can just take your time, go and examine what you're doing. So you just do a little, go to the front of your client, check how the bow is forming. Please, it's really important, so that at the end of the day you don't finish before you now start seeing mistakes. you want to do a step-by-step procedure while making your bow. And if this is your first time here, welcome. I hope that you do like this video and check out all my other videos. I do videos on gele and makeup. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. I'm happy that you find my video useful, and I hope that you like this video and you drop your comment at the comment section. Please drop your comments in case you have any questions. You are free to drop your comments. I will definitely respond to all of them. And if it's a particular gele style you want me to tie, you can definitely drop it. I would do well to tie it as well. We have our bow shaped gele. So this gele, you can never go wrong with it, and this bow is not too extravagant and it's not too heavy for your client or your model to carry. This is just the perfect bow. So I hope that I'll see you in my next video, and I hope that you give this video a thumbs up and you share it. Bye.